Alright, I guess we're doing some more slides because everybody seems to like them. It's Kieran. Hold on, Kieran.
Yeah.
Nico. And me. Alright, this video is going to be dedicated to Cashmere ain't feeling so. Oh, damn it! The Cashmere wasn't feeling so well, and Priscilla, hello. Alright, okay, that's the first one, Kieran. Okay, now it's Nico's turn, yeah. That's not exactly the same. Alright. We're gonna do that twisty slide over there too in that one. Alright. That's my turn. Yeah. Alright. It's gonna hurt. Keen's doing it one more time. Ah! Oh, that hurt, Kieran? Alright, we're doing twisty slides now. Yeah. Yeah, go Cody.
Alright. You want some blood?
Damn, look at Kieran's arm. Alright, alright. Alright, hold on, I need to find a good position. Shut up! Oh, damn!
Not a good position?
No, but that was good anyways.
No, I am. Yeah, you are? Yeah.
Wait, hold on!
I'll push it back.
Alright.
Go back up. Did like a
Last video, this is gonna be the funniest one yet. Kieran's gonna sit. Oh shit! Oh my god! I'm gonna do that, man. Bring up. Is it filming? Yes.
As soon as you start to get on, you'll just push it down. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Cam's gonna do something stupid first.
Right.